Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word sum in maths in depth. First, the definition. Sum in maths means the total amount resulting from adding numbers or quantities together. Think of it simply as the final answer you get when you add things up. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Sum in maths traces back to the word summa in Latin, meaning total or highest. Over time, it's been used by scholars and educators in mathematics. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use sum in maths in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The sum in maths of 5 and 7 is 12, which is the total after adding them. Correct example 2. To find the sum in maths of the test scores, add all the points together. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to sum in maths my lunch, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using sum in maths correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Sum in maths means the total amount resulting from adding numbers or quantities together. It comes from Latin summa, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with sum in maths down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.